It's Miami Speed Week, and I attended an amazing yacht party at the Epic Hotel in downtown Miami. I went with friends, and now I want to show you exactly what happened that night.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Don't shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the
Unfortunately, I got impacted by cancer, and I think if my numbers are right, I think it's one person out of 5 who gets impacted at some point through their family or in their life by cancer. So it's it's something that is personal to me, and I'm really kind of proud to be part of it. So
amazing event. So a round of applause for Raj.